In order to make my dreams a reality, I need to focus on the big things that excite me. I need to ask lots of questions of people more skilled and knowledgeable than myself. I need to be conscious of the effort I'm putting into smaller projects. I will continue to do smaller projects for fun, learning, rest and recuperation, joy, short-form content, unrecorded and unshared gifts, or even with the same effort and time input as large projects, because sometimes the small turns into the big during the process. I will think critically about how my work will enrich or improve the lives of others. In other words, I don't work in a vacuum. To make a sustainable, growing income from my work, I need to provide something to customers. I will actively seek out and initiate exciting collaborations with other artists, creatives, business people, individuals, and organizations, because it's not going to happen unless I make it happen. I will spend time intentionally building infrastructure to work more efficiently, comfortably, free from distraction, and full of joy. I need to develop a healthier relationship with constructive criticism, while minimizing the impact of nasty comments, starting by building confidence in my identity. I need to rest, recuperate, spend time outside of my environment, and taking in the works of other artists. I need to go on long walks, at day and at night, in the city and the country, daydreaming and looking in places where I normally don't. I need to ensure that I have enough money to live, because stress kills creativity, and if that means taking a job, I will ensure that the job is giving me the things I can't give myself, in addition to money. I will fill my life with love, speak truthfully, both to myself and to others, and talk about myself as I am, not as I was 1 or 5 years ago, because this affects how I think about myself and what I feel confident to create. I will wear clothes that I love and get rid of the ones that I hate, because this gives me energy. I will exercise every single day, because that improves every aspect of my life, which is a bit easier now that we have a puppy. I will eat good, healthy food, because doing so makes me feel light and agile and springy and strong, and I like feeling that I can jump up onto a ledge whenever I want. I will look at the things that inspire me with loving kindness, because they shape me, and only by listening to them can I create truthfully. I will accept that my path is undefined, and that even though I have dreams and plans, all of this is subject to change. I will stay flexible. I will take on bigger projects and take calculated risks. To make my dreams come true, I will think bigger.